I'll tell you folks, it's just a plumb beautiful day out here today. You couldn't ask for a better day to do some smoking. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to smoke a pork butt on the Weber Smoky Mountain. So stay tuned, folks. I've got about an 8.5 pound Boston butt here. I'll put a little regular mustard on there. Now I'm going to use some Uncle Steve's shake, and this is for the thick meat. I'm going to let this sit for a little while I go get the smoker ready. I am using the water pan today, folks, and we're going to try to keep this smoker between 225 and 250. This top number right here, 209, that's the temperature inside the smoker. The bottom number is the internal temperature of the meat. Okay, y'all, it's been about 2 hours, and I'm going to spritz this down. We'll come back and check it again, a couple more hours. We are now at the 4-hour mark. Vinegar and Texas Pete on here. And then we'll check back in a couple hours. The butt has reached 160 degrees, so I'm going to wrap it and put some butter on it. I like to use parchment paper along with my aluminum foil. Cranberry juice, a little bit of Welch's apple juice, light brown sugar, you know, just put on top of it. Put it back on the smoker. We're going to take our temperature probe and look back in here. Now, we're not so much looking at time as we are temperature. We want the meat to get up to about 200 degrees. So the time's going to be whatever the time's going to be. So we're going to let it cook until the temperature gets up to about 200. All right, y'all. It is now 7:30. It's been 9.5 hours. That's how long the cook took. The internal temperature of the meat is now at 200. We're going to put it in that cooler right there and wrap it in a towel. So, put it in there, close that thing up, and we're going to leave it in there probably overnight. And I guarantee you in the morning, it's still going to be hot. All right, y'all, that is what we've got. It's been several hours later. I had to get me some sleep. Meat just slides right off of that bone. That's what you want. Take this fat cap off of here. Still pretty hot. And that Uncle Steve's shake did very well. Well, I'm going to finish pulling this apart, and we'll be back later. We'll make us some pulled pork sandwiches. Okay, here's yours, here's yours. All right. Okay, guys, I don't want to mess up your eating schedule. That's really good. Well, listen, y'all, I do appreciate you stopping by and watching my video. If you liked the video, click the thumbs up button and subscribe, and please leave a comment. Until next time, peace out, y'all. Stay safe and healthy.